Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Smart Attendance System QR Code Student Attendance System with SMS Alert to Parent Mobile. So in this project, we are using a GSM SIM 800L with the SMS alert purpose. We are using ESP32 AI Thinker module and OV2640 camera. So for the QR code reading purpose, so 5 volts power supply module, red LED and green LED. So whether the card is read or not, if card is read, red LED, then it's go for green. So this is my block diagram unit. Let us coming into the hardware module. So here we are using 4 cards. You can extend the number of cards also. So here ESP32 module, camera module, ESP32 camera module, and one red LED and one green LED. Those are connected with 12 and 13 GPIO and 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, and GSM SIM 800L we are using quad band modem. It can work for 3G as well as 4G SIM card. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, max 232. So here I am using Idea SIM card. So ESP32 camera module. So here we are getting the alert. So in and out. So we have a 4 card. So this is a Subhash. So QR code. So once QR code is scanned, red LED came. So it will send the alert. So Subhash out at school. Already I checked with the in and out at school. So this is called Subhash card. So let us go for the Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh QR code. So once we scan the QR code, so you need to maintain the distance. So red LED is on. Rajesh out at school. So AI Thinker module ESP32. So here RxTX, it is connected to the GSM modem, ground, 5 volts power supply, and 12 and 13 it is connected with the red LED and green LED. So these are the pin connection. Let us going for the programming code. So here 12 and 13 it is connected with the red LED, green LED. So here we are checking for the Subhash. Once Subhash is read, so once it is A equal to A plus 1 and in 7729873267 is the parent mobile number. Again it for A equal to 2, second time it will send as a out. So like that 4 cards. Again we will check for another 2 cards. Okay. So this is for Praveen. Red LED is on. So we will check Praveen. Yeah, Praveen out at school. Time is 10:09. Okay, we got the SMS also 10:09. Again Ashok. Red LED is on. Name it as a Ashok. Yeah, Ashok out at school. So we will go by step in and out process at the school. Okay. Okay. So we can go for another next card. red LED. Rajesh in net school, again Praveen in net school. It will come another message. Okay, red LED, and it will come Ashok in net school. Ashok in net school. Again I am scanning same card at the out time. Yeah, red LED, Ashok out at school. So we will get the alerts. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.